Dive into the mesmerizing magic of bioluminescence. Experience nature's glowing wonders. Imagine critters that sparkle like stars, breathing life into the night. Delve deep into the ocean's abyss, where jellyfish and specific fish species light the darkness with self-produced luminance, ensuring visibility and communication. Visualize your backyard brimming with twinkling fireflies, transmitting secret messages through light, an intriguing facet of bioluminescence. In the woods, even mushrooms shine. Imagine them the forest floor, with their ethereal glow. Lastly, consider the luminescent shrimp, creating a dynamic, enchanting underwater realm with their light. Their illumination aids in camouflage and sustenance, enhancing their survival. That's the dazzling magic of bioluminescence. Until next time.